In this class, we are going to discuss about Theorem 8.5, Chapter 8, Quadrilaterals. Observe this theorem. If in a quadrilateral having four sides, each pair of opposite angles is equal, then it is a parallelogram. So, what things we are having in this theorem? We are having one quadrilateral. So, first I am writing given things, given what? Given ABCD is a quadrilateral. Given ABCD is a quadrilateral. What? ABCD is a quadrilateral. Another thing, if in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angles, each pair, in a quadrilateral we are having two pairs of opposite angles. One pair is this one, angle A equal to angle C. Another pair is what? This one, angle B equal to angle D. So this also we are having in the theorem. Given ABCD is a quadrilateral, another thing we are having, each pair of opposite angles is equal. Each pair. First pair is angle A equal to angle C, and another pair we are having angle B equal to angle D. Angle B equal to angle D. I am putting this one as equation number 1. These things we are having in the theorem. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Each pair of opposite angles is equal. It means angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. Clear? Then it is a parallelogram. So we want to prove what? ABCD. What we want to prove? Then it is that quadrilateral is a opposite angles, pair of opposite angles are equal, then that quadrilateral is a parallelogram we want to prove. So to prove ABCD is a parallelogram, this thing we want to prove. Clear? So what about its proof? Observe. We know well, in a quadrilateral, sum of all angles will be what? 360 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D will be what? 360 degree. Clear? From equation 1, what we can say? Angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. So put angle C equal to angle A and angle D equal to angle B. So from equation 1, this equation can be written as angle A plus angle B. At the place of angle C, we can write angle A, plus at the place of angle D, we can write angle B equal to 360 degree. Now next step will be what? Angle A plus angle B, A will be what? 2 angle A, plus angle B plus angle B will be what? 2 angle B equal to 360. Now take 2 as a common. Angle A plus angle B equal to what? 360 degree. Now this 2 will be divided of this one. So angle A plus angle B will be what? 360 divided of 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 1 ja 2, 16, 2 8 ja 16, 0. So what we are getting? Angle A plus angle B equal to what? 180 degree. And what is the meaning of this one? Angle A plus angle B, sum of both angles. Sum of both angles is what? 180 degree. It means we can say one is this line, another one is what? This one, and this one is transversal. two parallel lines are there and one transversal is intersecting, then interior angles sum on the same interior angles on the same side of a transversal sum will be what? 180 degree. Sum of interior angles on same side of a transversal will be what? 180 degree. It means both angle A plus angle B, both angles sum is 180 degree. It means this is the transversal and these two lines are what? Parallel line, and this once these are parallel lines, it means for the quadrilateral opposite sides are parallel, and that one is what? Opposite sides are parallel and equal, then that one is called what? Parallelogram. And this thing we want to prove. So angle A plus angle B equal to 180. Interior angles on the same side of a transversal. Therefore, what we can say? AD is parallel of AD. Sum of both angle is what? 180. It means this is transversal and these are what? Parallel lines. Then only sum of these two angles will be what? Supplementary, 180 degree. So AD is parallel of BC. Similarly, another pair of opposite sides AB. Similarly, AB will be parallel of CD. Once opposite sides are parallel and equal, then that is called what? Parallelogram. Hence ABCD is a parallelogram. This thing we want to prove and we proved. Hence ABCD is a parallelogram. Clear? Observe this theorem again. If in the quadrilateral each pair of opposite angles is equal, we are having one quadrilateral having 4 sides and 4 angles, each pair of opposite angles, in which we are having 2 pairs of opposite angles. Each pair of opposite angles we are having equal. It means angle A equal to angle C and angle B equal to angle D. This thing we are having in the question. We want to prove that quadrilateral is what? Parallelogram. Clear? So we know well angle sum property, sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral will be what? 360 degree. So we can say angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360. In the question we are having, in the theorem we are having angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. So we can put angle A, angle C equal to angle A, angle D equal to angle B. Then we are getting angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. And what is the meaning of this one? Sum of both angle A plus angle B equal to 180. It means these are parallel lines and this is the transversal, then interior angles on the same side will be what? 180 degree. So we can say these angles sum is 180. So these lines AD is parallel of BC. Similarly, we can prove AB is parallel of CD. AB is parallel of CD. Once opposite sides of quadrilaterals are what? Parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. Then we can say that quadrilateral is what? Parallelogram. These things we want to prove, we proved. I hope you understand this theorem. That's all about this theorem. Thank you so much.